Hi, my name is Michael Desiato, and I am the CEO of RiskPossible. Today, I'm going to tell you two stories about real losses that insurance companies have suffered. First, an insurance company underwrote a restaurant in Ohio. As far as they thought, it was a casual sit-down place, really nothing out of the ordinary. People were going there, having dinner, going home. Nothing really too odd. What the insurance company didn't know was that this same casual sit-down restaurant, 3 months into the policy term, was pushing the tables aside every Friday night and turning the dining room into a dance floor. What happened next was a disaster. While there were no serious injuries, a small fire broke out in the kitchen. And in the confusion, the loud noises and the sounds, many people were heard evacuating. Some people had smoke inhalation issues. And what would have been a simple fire turned into a $2 million claim for the insurance company on a risk they did not know changed. Now, from a restaurant, let's head to a construction site. An insurance company underwrote a contractor in Arizona. As far as they were concerned, this contractor focused and only did drywall. What the insurance company didn't know was that they were also applying for an electrical license, and they were getting ready to do these types of projects. An improperly wired installation at a home caused an electrical short, and that electrical short fried some pretty expensive home entertainment equipment and appliances, resulting in a $50,000 claim from the insurer for a risk that changed during the policy term. These two stories have one thing in common. Risks are not static, and they can change during the policy term. Present-day underwriting processes, systems, and procedures simply do not capture these changes, and that's where RiskPossible comes in. This circle here represents an annual insurance policy. And as you can see today, at inception, the risk is reviewed, underwritten, and looked at. Then it's put away. Sometimes it's looked at renewal. It may, in multi-year renewal cycles, not get looked at for a couple of years. We just said to ourselves, that doesn't make any sense. So we created a platform to continuously pull information about your policies and help you use it to spot misclassified risks and leakage situations, intelligently allocate resources for loss control and underwriting, and spot the best risks to retain. So how do we do that? Well, we pull information from various sources on the web, take your in-force policy portfolios, layer triggers on top of that, and when the triggers are fired, we send alerts to let you take action at that moment in time when things change. Going a little further down, the technology that we use, I like to say it's a little bit of an art, a little bit of a science. We creatively deploy bots. We utilize OCR and natural language processing where needed. And we even use some declassified NSA technology to really build a data pipeline where we get all this information through. We're looking for the signal and the noise, and it really takes a concert of technology and processes to make this happen. Now, all this comes together in a really easy-to-use interface for the insurance company to configure. From our product here, as you can see, we bring everything down into triggers. This is the restaurant product, and you can see we're looking for things like, is the restaurant's license active? Have they had bad food safety inspections from their health inspector? Events ending after 2 a.m. And then events with certain keywords and tags that you can put in. Live music, DJ, does a place have a mechanical bull? You know, these are the things that we're looking for, and this is how easy it is to configure. Now, the alerts are just as easy to get. We can send you an alert via email, through our dashboard, and we have an API integration as well to an underwriting workbench or a workflow tool. Going back to my first two examples, here's how we would have caught those. The restaurant advertised an event saying that they had a DJ coming in and to enjoy 50% off all food and drink. The keyword we're looking for is DJ. We would have given you an alert. The contractor gets a C11 electrical license with the Arizona Register of Contractors. Our system would have picked that up, alerted the underwriter that their drywall installer is now an electrician as well. Just like good insurance companies and good underwriters, we think that we need to focus to really make the best product and understand the data that we're offering. So we're focusing today on primarily 4 industries: food and liquor, contractors, elder care, and child daycare. We do have others in the pipeline. We're working to understand those, and we really don't want to put anything out there unless we really understand what's going on. So we've had some great market validation during our time at the GIA. We were very happy and lucky to work with EMC and review a small group of policies with them and a proof of concept. And we were able to show these are the 3% of the policies in this particular group that you should take action on now. As such, we're expanding our relationship with EMC and starting a pilot program with them. And we have other pilot programs and POCs in the pipeline as well. Look, it all comes down to as well that we have the right team. My co-founder and I have worked together in the insurance business for about 10 years. Myself, 15 years in the insurance industry, which was kind of scary when I put it up there. I've worked at local insurance companies, national and international insurance companies. We have a good mix of the technical side and the insurance side as well, and we all code. So this product has touched everybody's hands. At the end of the day, well, continuous underwriting starts today. We are ready to work with insurance companies to apply continuous underwriting into their procedures and underwriting processes. Our main product is a ridiculously easy to implement software as a service package, and we can also look at consulting options for new data sets. As someone who was an underwriter and a product manager, this is the tool that I always wish I had, so we built it. I look forward to talking to you guys about how we can implement continuous underwriting in your organizations. Thank you so much.